This is a trending type of video on TikTok, and if you want to make a video like this, then I will show you in this video how to make. So first of all, you need to download one application named Dowpy. So I have added the link of this application in my video description. So once you have downloaded, you need to open this application. So the interface will be in this way. So after this, you need to go under the features section, as you can see in the top. So here you need to scroll and you can see this. As you can see, there are many but few are premium, means few are paid and few are free. So we will go with this option. So you need to click on this one. So then you need to click on create. So here you can select two images, that can be a sad and happy emoji or a sad and happy image. So for now I will select any emoji here. So I will select this as happy and this as sad. So after selecting two image, you need to click on OK. So once you click, and you need to click on next. So you can see the video is creating, so it will take 5 to 10 seconds, and here you can see this video is created. So I will not play this video because maybe I can get some copyright issue. So I will scroll and I will show you here. This was a happy and the second image is sad. So once the video is ready, you can click on the save button and this video will be saved in your phone gallery. So if you find this video useful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.